Mondays with Mike, inspiration to help you land among the stars. The 5 gears of leadership execution: being present and productive. Susie Lance, one of Giant International's premier leadership facilitators, shared a session on how leaders should review their use of time so that they are performing at a high level, using time as an ally. The term leader can be viewed as an executive, a director, a coach, a mother, a father, a pastor, and/or any other role that has influence over the lives of others. Being able to shift gears for the right terrain and speed helps the motor's efficiency for the journey. This metaphor applies to the use of the 5 gears that Susie presented. Enjoy this metaphor and its use as you shift your gears along life's leadership journey. First gear. This is the gear that involves sleep, exercise, walking, recharging. Rejuvenation would be a word to associate with first gear. Second gear. This is when you are engaged in active listening, depth of conversation, authentic presence. It is about the other person and your ability to be helpful. Third gear. This is the social space that is typically found at the beginning or ending of meetings. It is light interaction and conversation. Some would call this small talk, or lighthearted and fun. Fourth gear. This is typically referred to as multitasking in a reactionary manner. You are putting out fires, taking the next call, handling the next need. Yes, mothers, this is your world. Fifth gear. This is the gear for quiet reflection, focus, no interruption. Your success depends upon what you put into planning from working in this gear. And reverse. Once in a while, we need to redirect our movement. It may be apologizing and correcting an action. It could be moving back into a segment and then shifting into the right gear before moving forward again. Reverse is not often used, but when used, it should make the journey more efficient. We must be in the right gear for the right setting. And we must understand how to shift our gears for maximum productivity. If we are in the wrong gear for too long, the engine and transmission can burn up. Our lives are no different than this engine analogy. Let's get it in gear this week. The right gear, that is. Our journey depends on it.